Ever wondered how some businesses seem to effortlessly build a loyal customer base, offering exclusive perks and a sense of community? It's not magic, it's smart strategy, and often, it's powered by well-structured membership programs. And if you're a business using Vagaro, you're in luck, because their platform makes setting up and managing memberships incredibly straightforward. Think about it. What if you could guarantee recurring revenue, incentivize repeat visits, and make your clients feel truly special, all while simplifying your administrative tasks? That's the power of memberships. They transform one-time customers into dedicated patrons, creating predictable income streams for your business and delivering immense value to your clients. From exclusive discounts on services and products to priority booking and members-only events, the benefits for your clientele are vast. For you, the business owner, it's about stability, increased client lifetime value, and a stronger, more engaged community around your brand. Many businesses, especially in the beauty, fitness, and wellness industries, thrive on this model. Salons offer monthly blow-dry packages, yoga studios sell unlimited class passes, and spas provide discounted treatment bundles. The common thread? Memberships. They're a win-win, fostering loyalty and growth. Now, if you're already using Vagaro for your booking, scheduling, and payment processing, integrating memberships is a natural next step. Vagaro provides robust tools that make creating, customizing, and managing these programs a breeze. No more manual tracking, no more spreadsheet headaches. It's all streamlined within the platform you already know and trust. This means you can focus on delivering exceptional services, knowing your membership program is running smoothly in the background. So, are you ready to unlock this potential for your business? In this comprehensive guide, we're going to walk through the entire process of setting up memberships on Vagaro, step by step. We'll cover everything from the initial setup and defining your membership perks to pricing strategies and how your clients will interact with them. By the end of this, you'll have all the knowledge you need to create a thriving membership program that benefits both your business and your cherished clients. Let's dive in. The first step in creating your membership program on Vagaro is to navigate to the settings menu. Once there, you'll look for things we sell, and then select memberships. This is where the magic begins. You'll see an option to create a new membership. Clicking this will open up a world of customization. Give your membership a clear and compelling name. This is what your clients will see, so make it attractive and reflective of the value it offers. For example, Unlimited Yoga Pass, Platinum Spa Club, or Monthly Hair Refresh. Below the name, you'll find a description box. This is your opportunity to clearly outline what the membership includes. Be specific. Detail all the services, classes, or products that are discounted or included, and highlight any exclusive benefits. The more transparent and enticing your description, the more likely clients are to sign up. Now, let's talk about the core of your membership, the benefits. Vagaro allows you to add various types of benefits. You can offer discounts on specific services or classes, provide a certain number of free visits, or even give discounts on retail products. You can group items together for a single discount, or set individual discounts for each service, class, or product. For instance, you could offer 20% off all massages, or include 2 free facials per month. If you're offering product discounts, you can specify a percentage off certain product lines or a fixed amount off individual items. The flexibility here is immense, allowing you to tailor your membership to perfectly fit your business model and client needs. One crucial decision you'll make is whether your membership will auto-renew. This is a game changer for recurring revenue. If you enable auto-renew, you'll then specify the charge frequency, monthly, quarterly, annually, etc. This means Vagaro will automatically charge your clients stored credit cards at the set interval, ensuring a steady stream of income for your business. You can also set an auto-renew limit. For example, if it's a 6-month program that renews automatically for 6 cycles. Or you can set it to unlimited for an ongoing subscription. For businesses offering recurring services, auto-renewal is incredibly powerful. Remember, for auto-renewing memberships, clients must have a credit card on file. Another valuable feature is carry balance forward. This is particularly useful for memberships that include a set number of visits or products per billing cycle. If a client doesn't use all their benefits in one cycle, carry balance forward allows those unused benefits to roll over to the next. This adds significant value for your clients, making the membership even more appealing and reducing any feelings of losing out if they miss a visit. You also have the option to discount initial payments. This is a fantastic marketing tool. You can offer a lower price for the first billing cycle or a specific number of initial cycles to entice new members. For example, get your first month for $50. This acts as a powerful incentive for potential clients to take the leap and sign up. Consider whether you want to show membership online. Toggling this on will make your membership visible and purchasable on your Vagaro listing page and your booking widget. This is essential for maximizing visibility and allowing clients to easily purchase memberships directly from your online presence. You can also choose to suggest as upsell when booking a participating service or class. This is a smart way to subtly promote your memberships at the point of sale, reminding clients of the potential savings they could unlock. Think about how your membership interacts with other discounts. Vagaro lets you decide if your membership discounts can be stacked on top of daily deals or on top of other discounts. Be careful with this, as combining too many discounts could significantly cut into your profits. Make sure your pricing strategy is sound. Finally, a truly compelling feature is the ability to allow membership to be shared with family and friends. This expands the value proposition of your membership, making it attractive for households or small groups. You can specify the maximum number of family and friends who can share the benefits. This is perfect for family-oriented businesses like fitness centers or even salons where family members might frequent the same establishment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.